Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JAYBIRD VISTA True Wireless Sports Headphones. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $180. Now these are the thinnest and lightest JAYBIRDs yet. Alright, so let's check them out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes, calm down. All right, here we go. JAYBIRD VISTA True Wireless Sports Headphones, $180. Let's go through all of the features. You got 6 hours playtime and 10 hours with the charging case. Now these are IPX7 sweat and waterproof. So that means you can run in the rain, take a shower with these, go swimming, do your thing. Sports fit, secure and comfortable. Now these also feature fast charge. So 5 minutes of charging will give you 1 hour playtime. Now these also have single earbud mode, so you can use the right or the left individually. Now on a side note, if you do that, you're going to get up to 32 hours worth of battery. You got premium sound with custom EQ. So you can customize the sound settings, customize the buttons, and you also got Find My Buds. Now these also feature a mic for hands-free calling. These are Bluetooth 5.0, and you got USB Type-C charging. All of that for $180. Here we go. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. See what it is. Okay, JAYBIRD Vistas. Okay, we got a nice presentation alert. Open this up. Little JAYBIRD branding. Here we go. Get started. Okay, here's your charging case. Now let's take a look at this. Okay. Box is trolling me. All right, let me relax. Here's your charging case. See anything else in here? That's it for that. This is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. Let's see the length on it. All right, I'm struggling today. All right, here's your USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Okay, not too long. And you get some different size ear tips. Now these actually are one piece, all right, not just the ear tips. These are a whole capsule. All right, so if you want to change them, you're gonna have to change them up like that. You got without the wings. All right, because some people don't like these wings. You just want the little fin. All right, so you got a set with the fins. This is what let me move my big hands out the way. Set with the fins. You got another set with the wings. Now, personally, I prefer the wings. I'll test out all the different sizes, see which ones fit me best. Let's see what else you get. And of course, got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. That's pretty much it. Here's your charging case. On the front, got USB Type-C. Got a little LED. Got your JAYBIRD logo on the top. Let's open these up. And here it is. Now, before we even go any further, let's do the shake test on these because these come with this little, let me see if I can rip this off real quick. Rah. You got a little, this is my OCD. Okay, you got a little string right here. So you can clip this on your bag. So here's the thing. If you clip it on your bag and you drop your bag, is the case going to pop open and you lose your earbuds? So let's do the shake test first. Now look, I'm going crazy. They will not open. And I thought that was going to be the case because trying to pull them open, you got to use a little bit of force. So that's a really strong magnet. Inside, you got your yellow theme. These are going to be your earbuds. Let's see on the inside. Do we got a right and left branding? Yep. Okay, you got right and left. Clicky buttons on these. Drop them back in the case. Let's see. Let's see. How did I do that? The first time is always the struggle to get them back in. There it is. Oh, look at that. They actually have a little magnet on the inside too. Drop right back in the case. All right, so let me grab a phone. I'll pair these up, and then we'll do all our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you open up the case, Press and hold the button for about 3 seconds. That's going to put it in pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the JAYBIRD Vista. The next thing you want to do is download the JAYBIRD app. Now, once you open this up, it'll automatically connect to your earbuds, and this is going to give you full access to all of the features. So let's go through those real quick. It's going to show you which earbuds are connected. Now, I got the JAYBIRD Run, the Vistas, so right now it's showing the Vistas. Find My Buds. Now, this is a dope feature. If you lose your earbuds, go to the app, click on Find My Buds. It's going to pull up a location on the map where you was last connected for the left and the right. And you can actually hit Get Directions. That's dope. You got voice prompts. All right, so you can have full voice prompts or tones only, and you can also change the language. Button controls. Now, for the single press, by default, it's going to be play and pause. But you can change that to Siri, or you can have a custom setting, have it play one of your playlists. For the double press, the stock setting is next track. Now, if you want, you can change it to Siri, or you can have a custom. And for the press and hold, that's automatically set to power off. You can change that to volume up or volume down for the left and the right bud. You got Find Your Fit, how-to guides, pair new headphones, shop JAYBIRD, and support. Let's go to presets. Now, these are your different EQ settings. So you got a bunch of different artist settings already pre-installed. I got mine set up already. This is one of my old profiles. And I got another one, Floss and Floss Bass. So if you see, this is my settings on the top. Basically max everything. You got your different music settings. All right, so you can have your podcast. You got your different profiles. Back to the headphones. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I just put these in my ears, and right away, the noise isolation is great. It's nice and quiet in here. Now, as far as the fit, super comfortable, very lightweight. They barely feel like they're in my ears, and I'm pretty sure these ain't gonna fall out, but let's do the head shake test just to be safe. Here we go. Okay, now that was maximum shakage. All right, not 35, not 55, not 75% shakage, maximum shakage, and these didn't move 1 inch. So if you're a runner, these are going to stay in your ears. If you lift weights and you go to the gym a lot, these are not going to move around. Let me show you what they're going to look like. Very discreet. That wing fits perfectly in my ears. Like I said, the fit on these, excellent. Now, let's do a little sound test. All right, so I got a special request today. This is coming in from one of my subscribers whose mother just passed away, Marianne from Kentucky. Now, she asked me to play her mother's favorite song in my next Earbuds video. So, Mary, this one is for you. I got Cheryl Lynn, Shake It Up Tonight, queued up. Max volume. I got my Floss EQ settings. 1 tap for play and pause. And I promise y'all, I'm going to sing. Here we go. Bird band hands rubbing together. Let me grab my mic. All right, here we go, y'all. Woo! Let's go. I can't wait until the sun goes down. I'm getting ready. See the moonlight on the town. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna put on my stepping shoes, 'cause I'm getting ready. Walk the streets and spread the news. I'm getting ready. I'm gonna call you on the telephone. Gonna tell somebody there's a party going on. Shake it up tonight. Ooh, show you how to party right. Shake it up tonight. Ooh, show you how to party right. Let's go. I'm gonna call a lot of people there. Don't you want to be ready? All right, let me calm down. 1 tap, play and pause. Okay. Woo! I'll get too hyped back here. My karaoke skills is on point. All jokes aside, these sound really, really good. Now, it's no surprise. If you ever heard JAYBIRD earbuds, you already know. Quality sound. All right, that EQ setting makes a world of a difference. Now, I'm going to pause the video. I'll try some different songs, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so I just tested out a bunch of different songs from a bunch of different artists, and honestly, these sound great. Nice highs and mids, and a lot of bass, just the way I like it. Now, like I said, open up that app, go to the EQ settings, and tune it to the way you like it. You're going to love these. So far, the thing that I'm most impressed with is the fit. Now, these are definitely one of the lightest earbuds that I use yet. And personally, I usually don't like these little wings. I like the wraparounds because when I start sweating a lot, these usually move around. I'm back here sweating like crazy right now. These did not move 1 inch. All right, I'm impressed with the fit. Let's do some more testing. All right, so now let's check the button controls. Now, there ain't too many, so this should be fast. 1 tap for playing pause. Okay, no problems with that. That's also going to answer and end phone calls. Double tap to skip to the next song. Okay, no problems with that. And I got the custom settings for long press for volume up and down. So let's long press on the right earbud. Okay, you see it's going up. Long press on the left earbud. Volume down. All the controls work. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud at a time while the other one is charging in the case? Here we go. All right, so I got the music playing. Take out the right earbud. Put it in the case. You see it's charging up. Still connected. Music is coming out of the left earbud. Now I'm going to put the right earbud back in. Let me take out the left earbud. Still connected. Charging up. And the right earbud is playing. So you can listen to music from either side, one at a time. All right, so now let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them out and put them in the case? Okay, so I got the music playing. You see on the bottom, connected to JAYBIRD Vista. Drop these in the case. You see it disconnected. Now let's take them out. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. All right, 3 1,000s, and they're fully connected. That's a good look. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is, when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Now, I'm not going to do my usual test for that because I'm using a wireless mic. So when you watch this video at home, there's always going to look like lag. So I'm just going to listen to it for myself and let y'all know, is there any delay? Okay, here we go. Okay, there's basically no lag. Let me wait for some more lip movement. Oh, this is excellent. Basically, no lag on these. All right, so now let's check the call quality. I'm going to call up my daughter and see how these sound. All right, so we got JAYBIRD Vista. Okay, ringing out of both ears. Let's get max volume. Yeah. Yo, what up? I'm doing my usual. I'm making a video, testing out some earbuds. How do they sound? I know fuzziness. All right, let me whisper. Right, can you hear me now? What did I just say? All right, all right. So what's up? Let's get our fits together. We going on Saturday, right? What you wearing? Come on, the summer's almost over. Let's pull out the J's. It's about that time. All right, so we'll coordinate in a minute. All right, so I'm going to call you back. I'm getting ready to go to the gym, so I'm going to call you from in the car. All right, bye. Okay, the call quality on these, it sounds great. Now, she said there was no fuzziness. I was whispering. I heard her fine. She heard me fine. It was a little bit of hollowness to it. Like, you can hear like a little, like maybe the ambient sound, like, you know, it's hard to explain. Like the ambient, when you hold on, let me try that again. When you wear earbuds that have ambient sound or pass-through sound technology and you hear a little bit of your surroundings, that's kind of how it sounded. All right, definitely not AirPods quality, but it was loud and clear. All right, so now let's do the Bluetooth connection test. I'm going to play some music. I'm going to walk 30 feet and then 50 feet and see if we get any drop connections. Here we go. Hit play. All right, I'm going to start walking. What up, Shoes? Okay, this is 30 feet. 50 feet. Back to 30 feet. Okay. It hit different. All right, hold on. Let me press pause. Okay, now I walked all the way to 50 feet. No drop connection at all. The music was crystal clear. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the JAYBIRD Vistas a major go. Are these worth $180? And the answer is yes. Now, there's only one thing that I don't like about these, and that's the fact that you can't reverse tracks. Now, when you go to your custom settings, you can play with the buttons a little bit, but they should have made it where you can reverse tracks. I'm the type of person that when I'm in the gym, if I hear a song that I'm feeling, I'll keep repeating that song for the whole time I'm in the gym. Now, I know what you're getting ready to say. Why don't you just press repeat on the phone, or why don't you just use your watch? You could do that. But I wish they would have had it where you could set up reverse tracks from the earbuds. Other than that, these are a major go. IPX7, fully waterproof. All right, so you can run in the rain, take a shower with these, jump in the pool, do your thing. 6 hours worth of battery on a single charge and 10 hours with the case. That's a go. Plus you got quick charge. 5 minutes is going to give you 1 hour worth of playtime. I like that. USB Type-C charging. All right, one less cable to walk around with. Bluetooth 5.0. These are up to date. The fit. Now, this is one of the things that I love about these the most. The fit. The fit on these is amazing. All right? These are the ones that I can actually wear to the gym and they're not going to move around. You got an app with all your EQ settings, plus Find My Buds. No lag when you're watching your videos. You can use these one at a time. All right, so you can rock these all day at work. 32 hours if you're using them one at a time. The call quality was nice and clear, and the sound. The sound quality is that typical JAYBIRD sound, nice and loud, crystal clear, with punchy bass. I'm totally feeling these earbuds. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. And on a side note, I got the Raycon E100s coming up this week. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do the real review for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus.